Hello everyone, welcome back to Shake Hand with Life. I am Narendra Sharma, and in today's lecture we are diving into an important concept in business and manufacturing: lead time. Lead time is the amount of time that passes from the start of a process until its conclusion. Companies review lead time in manufacturing, supply chain management, and project management during pre-processing, processing, and post-processing stages. By comparing results against benchmarks, they can determine where inefficiencies exist. Reducing lead time can streamline operations and improve productivity, increasing output and revenue. By contrast, longer lead times negatively affect sales and manufacturing processes. So, how do we calculate lead time? Lead time can be broken into several different components: pre-processing, processing, and post-processing. These may be defined differently, but the general formula to calculate lead time is pre-processing time plus processing time plus post-processing time. For a manufacturing company, the pre-processing time is the procurement stage where raw materials are sourced and delivered to its manufacturing headquarters or processing plant. The processing time is the manufacturing or production stage. The post-processing time is the stage of processing the order and delivering the final product to the customer. For a retail company, there is no manufacturing time, as the retail firm doesn't manufacture its own goods. Instead, the procurement time is different, as it sources final products to then sell directly to customers. Lead time for retail company therefore equal to procurement time for final products plus shipping time. Here we have an example to understand how do we calculate lead time. Imagine a large festival that takes place during the first week of August every year, attracting 100,000 people on average and typically selling 15,000 festival t-shirts. The vendor that supplies the t-shirts needs one business day to complete the shirt design, one business day to have it proofed and make any necessary fixes, one business day to print the t-shirts, and 2 business days to ship the items. The lead time in this example would be 5 days. In other words, the festival organizers need to place their order with the t-shirt supplier at least 5 days before the opening of the festival to get the shirts on time. In summary, lead time measures how long it takes to complete a process from beginning to end. In manufacturing, lead time often represents the time it takes to create a product and deliver it to a consumer. It is calculated by adding any combination of days to procure materials, manufacture goods, and deliver finished products. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Shake Hand with Life YouTube channel for more insightful content. Leave your questions and thoughts in the comments below. And I'll see you in the next video.